Jai Srimanarayana. 21st Sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kairlingaihi Trin Gunan Yetan Atito Bhavati Prabho Kimacharaha Kadhanchaitan Trin Gunan Ativartate. Om. Keep observing attributes of great people and try to follow them and try to inculcate those attributes. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep observing great people for their attributes and I shall start inculcating those attributes. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 282nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya has bitten Krishna and he surrounded Krishna with his body. Seeing that Gopalas, all of them gone fainted, and cows, baby cows, bulls, they are all crying while looking at Krishna. At the same time in Vrepalle, Mahotpataha Trividhaha Ati Darunaha Utpetuhu. In the village, in Vrindavan, all the people getting to see so many bad omens on their bodies, on the earth and in the space. And all those bad omens are indicating upcoming danger. Seeing all that, all the residents of Vrindavan started getting scared and thinking like this. Only today, Vina Ramena Gaha Krishnam Jnatva Charayitum Gatam. Only today, Krishna has gone to the forest without Balarama. What kind of danger and what kind of turmoil that he must be facing over there. Tat pranaha tat manaskaha te dukkha soka bhaya aturaha. Like that, while thinking about Krishna Paramatma, all the people from Vrindavan, they are all getting scared because Krishna is their pranam, is their life, and all of their minds are engaged in only Krishna. And in that kind of extreme amount of love what they have towards Krishna, they are not realizing Krishna's glory, Krishna's power, Krishna's strength. So like that, all the people, Abala, Vruddha, Vanitaha, Sarve, boys, even children, elderly people, girls, women, everybody from Vrindavan started heading towards the forest to Krishna Darsana Lalasaha, to find Krishna, to see Krishna, craving to see Krishna. When they are all going like that, Varibangin Yerungani Varai Harichuda Bova Vadigoni Naguchun Varimpadaya Ramudu Varini Harilavu Yerungu Vadayun Prahasya Kinchit Navuvacha Bhagavan Madhavo Balaha Prabhavagnaha. When they are all going like that, Balarama is looking at them, but he is not stopping them, he is giving a nice smile to them. Balarama knows what kind of strength Krishna has and how strong Krishna is and his glow. Everything Balarama knew. But all these people from Vrindavan, without realizing Krishna's power, they are all craving to see Krishna, they are all getting scared what happened to Krishna, and they are all heading towards forest. Balarama is looking at all of them and giving a nice smile and not at all stopping them. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namara Shetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishna Deva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 21st sloka. Kairlingai strin gunan etan atito bhavati prabho kimacharah kadhanchaitan trin gunan ativartate. Kairlingai strin gunan etan atito bhavati prabho Kimacharah kadhanchaitan trin gunanati vartate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.